Hey guys, welcome back to my channel HVAC for you. In today's video, I am going to teach you about how to prepare project delivery schedule. This is also called as material delivery schedule and installation schedule or simply bar chart. Okay, let's start. Kickoff meeting. Friends, before commencing the work on site, one meeting is scheduled by PMC, that is Project Management Consulting Firm, or GC vendor, that is General Contractor Vendor. In corporate language, this meeting is called as kickoff meeting. Authorized persons from client, architect, PMC, consultants and contractors attend this meeting. The agenda of this meeting is to get the introduction of each other and get to know how the project is going to execute. General instructions are given to all service agencies, and most importantly, project timeline is defined in this meeting. All service agencies are asked to submit shop drawings, technical data sheets, material delivery schedule, manpower details, installation schedule, work permits and safety related documents. Out of these, we will focus on material delivery schedule and material installation schedule. What is bar chart? Why do we need to prepare bar chart? When shop drawing is going to approve, when machines will be delivered, when ducting work will start, when system will go on pressure, when commissioning will start, when project is going to hand over. The answers of all these questions you will get in the bar chart. In bar chart, tentative dates of drawing approval, material dispatch, material installation, testing, commissioning and handover are mentioned. By this chart, you will have a clear idea how your project is going to execute. On site, all service agencies work side by side and in coordination. Also, you have very tight deadlines. So if any service agency is lagging behind, then it will affect entire project timeline. Therefore, you must prepare bar chart and follow it till the end. Now we will see benefits of preparing bar chart. Bar chart is required for effective utilization of material, manpower and time. Next is things you should know about the bar chart. Bar chart is prepared by either design team or project team. Bar chart is submitted to PMC or GC vendor. PMC monitors whether work is going on as per bar chart or not. Next is essential elements of bar chart preparation. Copy of final BOQ without rate. Only material quantity should be displayed. Second is project timeline. Start and end date and number of days. This you can get in work order or in the kickoff meeting. PMC tells about project timeline. Third one is tentative dispatch dates of all materials. This you can ask to your purchase team. Fourth one is tentative installation, testing and commissioning dates of all materials. This you can ask your subcontractor or project manager. We will discuss point number 3 and 4 in detail here. Tentative dispatch dates of all materials. Short lead items and long lead items. Short lead items. Materials whose delivery time is 1 to 4 days are called as short lead items. For example, copper pipe, drain pipe, cable, GI sheets, supporting materials, insulation, flexible duct, canvas cloth, etc. are short lead items. All these materials are available in local market or most of the time they are in stock. Second is long lead items. Materials whose delivery time is 2 to 6 weeks. For example, machines, fans, VCD, fire damper, VAV boxes, grill, diffuser, disc wall, AHU, etc. are called as long lead items. Now let me tell you what factors are affecting the delivery of long lead items. Machines. Approval on machine model numbers as per technical specifications is given by consultant. Second is rate negotiation. Third is machines availability at OEM local warehouse. Fourth one is machines are imported items, and mostly that's why it takes 3 to 4 weeks approximately. Second is all types of fans and air handling units. Approval required on technical data sheets, fan CFM, static, model number, noise criteria, GA drawing, fan curves, etc. Rate negotiation, delivery time 2 to 4 weeks. Fire damper, VCD, VAV boxes, grill, diffuser, etc. Approval on technical data sheet, rate negotiation, customized items, delivery time is 3 to 4 weeks. Last one is factory made ducting. Tag drawing approval, ducting comes in lots, lot 1, lot 2, etc. Delivery time is, first lot is mostly dispatched in 4 to 6 days after tag drawing approved by design team. I hope you are pretty much clear with the material tentative delivery dates. Now moving to point 4, that is tentative installation, testing and commissioning dates of all materials. Installation time required for a particular work is mainly dependent on drawing clearance, site clearance, manpower available on your site, material availability, other agencies' work clearance. We will prepare bar chart by taking example of VRF system installation. Friends, here is the sample BOQ of VRF system installation. You see only quantities are displayed over here along with unit. Rate column and amount column is hidden because they are confidential. We are concerned about material and their quantity only. Now we will see how to prepare bar chart. As I told you earlier, only 4 things are required for bar chart preparation. BOQ copy, number of days to complete the project, tentative material delivery dates and tentative installation dates. One more important thing is refer the standard format of your organization for bar chart preparation. I am explaining here in a general format, no need to refer this. This is for understanding purpose only. The bar chart will look like this. Title, description, number of days required for work completion. Here our project timeline is of 6 weeks and it will start from 17th August and expected handing over date is 29th of September. Entire schedule is divided into 8 parts. Shop drawing preparation, reference line marking, material delivery details, material installation details, miscellaneous works to be done after machine's arrival, commissioning stage, and final is project handing over. Now let's fill up what is going to happen in each stage. After filling up, it will look like this. In the very first stage, site is visited. If it is design based project, system is designed from the start, and if it is tender based project, system is already designed by consultant and tender drawing is given. This drawing is to be converted into shop drawing and get it approved. Before starting work on site, please confirm 2 things. Refer approved drawing only. Work order received or not. If not received, then at least get mail approval from client or PMC so that you will not land into trouble in the near future. Before starting work, reference lines are marked with chalk for copper pipe route, drain pipe route, machine locations, duct route, etc. In part 3, all materials are listed out from the BOQ. Friends, installation work is carried out in 2 stages: before machine's arrival and after machine's arrival. Since machine's delivery time is 4 to 6 weeks, in the meantime, you can complete major works such that copper pipe, drain pipe, ducting and many other works. Please try to complete above ceiling work as much as possible before the ceiling gets closed. All these works summarized under points 4 to 7. And last is project handover. Okay, now first we will list out the materials from BOQ and enter them into the sheet. After inserting all required materials into sheet, our sheet will look like this. Now you have to enter number of days required to complete each task. Already I have discussed about how to enter number of days. After filling up all columns, our sheet will look like this. Now last point is to fill up values when you are going to execute a particular task. After filling up all columns, our sheet will look like this. This is our project schedule and you are going to work as per this sheet. You have to submit this sheet to PMC. By keeping in mind all these points, you can prepare project schedule for centralized chilled water pipe system or any other systems. Hope you like the video. If you have any doubts, please let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching this video. Goodbye friends.